Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today, not really a trade recap. I didn't take a trade today, but I wanted to show you guys a really good setup that I could have taken today. Um, so let's get right into it. First of all, I'm closing this week with profit because I'm not gonna trade tomorrow. Tomorrow high impact news will be dropping. So this is how the week is ending. Plus around $1,000 on the week. And on the month, we are up like 710. No, no, way more. Uh, on the account, I mean, we're up $710. And on the month, we are up like, I don't know, like $1,200 or something like that. So yeah, let's get right into it. Really short. Um, I missed the trade because I just didn't catch the trade, you know what I'm saying? Like it was just like I missed the I missed the opportunity, I guess. So before market opened, what did we get? We had a 1 hour fair value gap, which we tapped into, respected it, moved down, and literally, like if you look at the high time frames, like I was just bearish, right? We were respecting bearish confluence and disrespecting bullish confluences. And then my targets for the day were these lows right here, and then this low right here, and then at at least at last this 4 hour fair value gap, which was overlapping with the weekly gap, which got like disrespected. Why did I mark this out with the weekly gap? Because the what's it called? The whole reason behind weekly gaps is okay, I was kind of explaining it wrong right here. The actual reason, like what I was trying to say basically, is that the whole reason behind why weekly gaps work on the charts is that when market closes on Friday and then something happens on a weekend and we open up on Monday and price starts at another level that it closed at Friday, right? So let's say on Friday it closed at 20,000 and Monday open is at 19,000. It's like insane, but like let's just say $19,000, right? So there's a gap between the 20 and the 19,000, right? And this gap, in between this gap, price hasn't moved yet. So what happens after market opens again? Price retraces back into this area where price didn't trade yet, fills this gap, so actual orders get filled and so on and so forth. And in this case, what I was trying to say is the market already moved past that area, right? And because that area was only tapped into once, it will probably get tapped into twice, you know what I'm saying? Because like there is like a retrace back into it, after a while. And that's basically all I want to say, right? So yeah, this was my target for the day. But I was basically, if I took the trade, I was just targeting this low right here. So let's go on to 1 minute and check out the trade. So after market opened, 14:30 right here, this blue candle, we had a 5 minute fair value gap before this, and then we created a bearish SMT divergence with ES. In Q was making a higher high while ES was making a lower high. And my entry should have been theoretically after we disrespected this 5 minute fair value gap, right? No, oh no, we didn't disrespect it. What was it? After we retapped into it? Did we retap? Oh, we tapped. Oh, yeah. We retapped into this 5 minute fair value gap right here. Theoretically, I saw someone on the internet. Um, you still accepting this little fair value gap right here? Like, I don't know. I wouldn't say this is a valid fair value gap anymore because we tapped into it, respected it kind of, and then moved downwards. So basically not. So yeah, us re-tapping, what? Us tapping into this 5 minute fair value gap, hitting equilibrium, and also we had this change of character before this. These were all confluences that should have made me bearish, and I should have entered the trade either right here, bang, and it would have looked something like this, or oh yeah, what I forgot to say. This was after this got swept, and then I was just targeting the next low, right? Because I wasn't really finding a trade right here. Like it was, yeah, I couldn't find an entry right here. So what I could have done was this setup right here, or I could have possibly waited for this fair value gap to get disrespected, which kind of did happen, but it was like in two candles, and I didn't trust it fully. But it would have looked something like this, I guess, a bit less. So 1.3 risk to reward, around something like that. So yeah, this would have been the perfect trade of this day, but I didn't take it. So let me actually write this down so I actually know it for the future. No trade taken But I predicted it right, so um, price action prediction, I guess, or um, market move predicted right, or how do I say this? Like the lows I was targeting and the whole like thing I was targeting was the right one. So yeah, that's basically everything for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. See you guys next week, but it will be like, bro, Thursday and Friday next week I will be able to trade again, which is really, really, bruh, tomorrow. What the fuck? No. So this is Thursday. I will be able 15. Oh wait, next week time zones are normal again. So 15:30 is market open for me. Okay, so we will be able to trade next week. And then Friday we'll also be able to trade. So nice. Okay, so Thursday and Friday will be the next trading days for me, which is, bruh, I need to wait like a week for this. Pew, type shit. Alright. See you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.